Welcome to Meme Coin Codex, powered by Ranga Technologies. Looking to promote your meme coin and build a strong community fast? Telegram ads can be a game changer. In today's video, we'll guide you through setting up Telegram ads, targeting the right audience, optimizing ad campaigns, and analyzing results to grow your project's visibility. Let's dive in. Why Telegram ads for meme coins? Telegram is one of the most popular platforms for crypto projects. Its built-in ad platform helps you reach global crypto enthusiasts. Crypto investors actively use Telegram. Target specific niches. Ads can target specific languages, locations, and interests. Drive community growth. Convert ad viewers into community members. Pro tip: since Telegram is decentralized and community-driven, your ads can reach highly engaged users. How to create a Telegram ads account? Visit the Telegram ads platform. Go to ads.telegram.org. Sign in. Use your Telegram account to log in. Create an organization. Fill in your project's details like organization name, contact email, wallet information for ad payments. Pro tip: use a professional logo and email address to build credibility. How to launch a campaign? Click New Campaign and name your campaign. Select your objective. Choose from traffic, drive visitors to a website, channel subscriptions, grow your Telegram channel or group, app installs, promote crypto-related apps, if applicable. Set budget and duration. Minimum budget, $2 per 1,000 impressions, CPM model. Duration: run the campaign for 7 to 14 days for the best visibility. Pro tip: start small, then scale up based on campaign performance. Targeting settings. Location: choose specific countries or regions where crypto interest is high. Example: US, Europe, Asia. Languages: select languages spoken by your target audience. Interests and keywords: use terms like crypto, blockchain, DeFi, meme coin, and NFT. Pro tip: avoid overly broad targeting to ensure you reach engaged users. How to create a great ad. Ad title: keep it short and catchy, max 30 characters. Example: join the next big meme coin. Ad text: highlight your coin's unique features or upcoming events. Example: early investors get exclusive airdrops. Join now. Call to action, CTA: use action-driven phrases like join now, get started, or buy tokens. Tip: use emojis to grab attention but keep them relevant. Ad design tips. Image size: use a 1080 by 1080 image for the best results. Brand colors: keep visuals consistent with your project's branding. Add a logo. Build trust with a clear, high-quality logo. Pro tip: use free tools like Canva or Photoshop to create eye-catching graphics. How to track results. Check campaign metrics. Use the built-in Telegram ads dashboard. Key metrics to watch: impressions, total views, clicks, number of users who clicked your ad, conversions, users joining your Telegram group or visiting your website. Optimization tips: adjust budget, scale successful campaigns, update creatives, refresh visuals and text for better engagement, retarget audiences, re-engage users who previously interacted with your ads. And that's how you can promote your meme coin with Telegram ads. Setting up the right campaigns, targeting specific audiences, and optimizing ad content will help grow your community fast. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, subscribe, and share this video with other crypto enthusiasts.